Hi, I'm Anna Jones, and this month's simple supper is my lemon, feta and asparagus tray bake. There's loads of lovely greens, plump giant couscous, chilli, lemon, lovely salty but creamy feta. It's a super quick but really flavourful, easy dinner. First, cook your giant couscous in boiling salted water until al dente. That's going to be a couple of minutes less than the packet instructions. Preheat your grill to high. Next, snap the woody bottoms off your asparagus. You can keep the woody bits for a stock or just throw them away. Roughly shred your spring greens. Put all the veg onto a baking tray and grate over the zest of a lemon, sprinkle with the Turkish chili flakes and scatter over the garlic. Then cut the zested lemon into slices. Once the couscous is cooked, drain it and add it to the tray with a generous amount of olive oil and toss everything together. Season everything with salt and pepper, crumble over the feta and lay the lemon slices on top. Put the tray under the grill and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. It's ready when everything is nice and hot, the asparagus has lost its rawness and the feta is lovely and browned. Scatter over the chopped dill and serve in the middle of the table straight away. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. For more videos from the pool, please just click subscribe.